Okay, I want to introduce you to some things on this channel, okay, to help you use it better. Okay, so if you go to the first page, you're going to see my most recent videos, okay? And if you hit videos, you're going to see that there's 1,600 videos dating back years, right? Language doesn't change that much. So these videos are evergreen, right? And so you can, even if the video is a year old, it's not changed, right? This is not like the news or anything. Okay, so, you know, look back through here, and one way you can do it, if it's just too much, is you can just type in any letter. Just pick a letter, right? And then, right, it will give you a more narrow list, right? I'm not sure how this works, but you can type in any letter or any word, and it will give you a more narrow list, okay? There's also two playlists. This is the original one that I started to do with the kind of the key ones that I did in the beginning when I first started making this channel. But then I wanted to make a complete list. This says 1,400 videos, but actually there are 1,533. So what you can do is you can make your own playlists, right? If you want shorter, like shorter playlists, or you can use this playlist and just kind of go play all and listen to it in the car. A lot of my viewers listen to my videos in the car, right? Or, like when they're in traffic or whatever, and it's sort of like I'm telling stories. And that's exactly the thing I was going for, is to make this channel teach you language the way my dad taught me, right? Just kind of talking to you. It's like story time. I know there's a lot of native speakers out there, and that's fine. You're all welcome. But, some of the stuff that I teach here is going to be not not needed by native speakers, right? So anyway, but what a lot of people do is they just put this on continuous play. Now, personally, I have YouTube Premium, so this would play without commercials. Actually, you shouldn't have any commercials on my channel yet, right? Because I'm not monetized yet. And by the time I get monetized, I might start putting a lot of stuff over on Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon. I haven't decided. But anyway, the point is you can use this playlist, and you don't have to like look at it the whole time. Just listen to it with your earphones or whatever, and you'll learn a lot. You'll improve your listening a lot just listening to a native speaker speak to you in a way that a native speaker would speak to another native speaker. Okay, I don't change it much. I don't change my way of speaking very much. I do choose my words a little, and some native speakers have complained, like, "Oh, come on, man, say it," but they don't quite understand who this channel is for. But okay. And here's another thing: is sometimes my stories are a little bit long and drawn out. So what you can do is, if you want to go faster, you can just change the playback speed to 125 or 1.5 if you want me to like get to the point or something like that. But if you're just like cleaning up around the house and you want to listen to a native speaker speak, then and tell some stories and teach some idioms, then you can put it on normal speed. Also, if you are having a difficult time keeping up with me, and understanding everything I'm saying, then you can slow it down, right? I wouldn't be surprised if a lot of people slowed it down, right, to 50% speed. So all ways to improve your how can I say it, what's the word I'm looking for? It's like learning the language, but it's not learning. It's acquiring the language. Acquiring the language. It's a little bit different than learning. It's a kind of like learning like a native speaker would learn, right? Language acquisition is different from learning it, right? Okay, so take advantage of those things. Just want to make you aware that all of these videos are available, and you know, if you sort of like just wait around for me to release another video, then you're missing out on a big part of the channel, because all of these are back here and the language is not really going anywhere, right? And you can also see how my first videos were just so terrible. And it's kind of like I did that on purpose, actually, for a reason, because I didn't think that people were going to be watching my videos very much. I wanted to make it sort of like a podcast, just like story time. So I didn't take any effort to make it look good. But I started to get a little better over time. So anyway, there you go. And just make sure that you realize that this information is available to you, and all of these videos are available, okay? Because there's a lot of new people on this channel right now. I've gained a lot of subscribers recently. So, and don't forget to like the videos, okay? Don't just like watch it and then forget to like it, okay? If you've watched my videos and you didn't like it, you owe me some likes, all right? So, talk to you on the next video.